A sad episode right here on the Junior Kanye TV. One of our own, Michael Nkambule, also known as Zizo or Roy or Scapi to his friends and fans, is no longer with us. It's going to be a very difficult time without him here, and it's going to be a very heavy episode for us. And yes, this episode is brought to you by World Sports Betting, hashtag bet with the best, hashtag WSB. Junior, how are you?
Yeah, in Ndlandla, man, I can't say I'm okay, but as no choice, made us focus here, pants pezu, in order for families to would be right, not just maintain as well, and abantwana bethu, yeah, not one of the best day. I think the best week, Actually, as ushilo Ndlandla, it's more internal, we just lost umfana the boy is big, man. To show good to big, if you understand the spiritual way, if imvuliana, we winter. Mfana mkhulu yazi njoba ngisho ubukhosi yabuzalelwa yabona le mfana bekiwe njani umunye ngiyazi akusonke umuntu ozongunderstand le nto engizoyikhuluma ya manje Michael indaba ke ngithashe isithashe kakhulu ayithashanga uJunior Thabo kuphela yabo and mina njoba I know him personally Ndlandla ngiqala ukumitha lo mfana ngifunde nobhuti wakhe empengisi
Okay.
uJoe which is bambiza ngoJoe ngifunde naye empengisi primary high school and umfana ngimithe if not mistaken bekabuma 97 98 ngimitha kuNorth Stars it was a team becoachwa him yabo coachwa him uthema kafika umfana in fact ngamtshontsha yabona ngamtshontsha adlala kwenye team bekamncane man yabo I think ngimshiya lo mfana nga 4-5 years yabo and mina bengithe ukukhulanyana so bekadlala under 12 ngimiyenza captain egqoka number 10 so ngakhuluma nobhuti wakhe uTemfithle mfana kinyamnida nobhuti wakhe wamconvince aweza game North Stars begqoka ijezi eligreen and yellow yet special talent Ndlandla from Makhulu uRoy Michael very skillful player you understand and beyangasabi bekugiant la mfana enengqondo man like ngisho football intelligence khona whether on the ground off the ground ziningi izinto bengishare naye nami by then uyazi bengiqala le game because I was playing but ngiba coach not kuyo lo team because besine under 12 that's all so the point azenzile kule team bezimangaza kakhulu because mina bengibadlalisa nabo under 17 bana 12 years under 15 bana 12 years so I'm fair to me soul rest in peace because ukhula kanje njoba ngisho bese ngiclose nje umndeni akabo lo yamfana nyawazi ukusuka akabo lo yamfana kuye ekhaya 7 minutes 8 so uhlala emaphupheni eThwathu uRoy iDavid Chona ngithi kufana neSoweto nama section yabo iSprits nama section for Stora so emaphupheni eThwathu uhlala ema12 ngihlala ema7 so dangerous kakhulu ukhula njoba ngisho compliment to Mahlubi because ngathi mangitshela uChana ngaye lo mfana uMahlubi Bennett Mehlo Makhulu the one who took us to Chiefs a lot of players from Davidton uMahlubi wathi uzozibonela yena and wazibonela uMahlubi without ukuthi ngize ngimtshele amthatha ngesikhathi went to Kaizer Chiefs uMahlubi amisa waya ku development I think under 15 yes we were under 15 bayodlala this Milk Cup and manga understand I think bamthathela eStrasbourg eFrance wangitshela ukuthi ngiyavaya and every time lamfana makadlala Ndlandla sesikhuluma ngase Davidton and there's this thing ama players at Davidton yabo but obvious but special ngendlela ehlukile a crowd at the early age yabo ngimthatha ngesikhathi kuba i-crowd puller crowd favorite David wangakutshela kune ground ebathi mabuya wenzima ngala umfana yabo le mfana loya bekaphethe ingqondo skillful adribble nakoro yabo bengase umuntu onespeed uMichael mara ilook beka lazy nyana mara ingqondo yoshangena ingqondo yabo and special player and ngibe nama moment Ndlandla njengoba ngisho umfana uye wayeFrance came back to Kaizer Chiefs he won he played the tournament eCOSAF I remember under 20 and then the Chiefs amsign nakhona before signing yakhumbula wangitshela signer yabo bengasaspani mina by then ngihlangana naye yabo sodlala kumahlubi kahlanganisa squad so besidlala sonke he was a captain there abuye France what new signer back ni Chiefs ngathi mina mfana congratulations and I wish yonke into grand.
What advice did you give him makathi uyosigna with Chiefs?
Yeah, honestly speaking bekuzoba nzima nhlanhla umgama advice by then. I need to be honest because one, I was down and out by then now and mangi down and out bengizothi mangimtshela uyazi uRoy mina lo mfana bengambizi ngoMichael Roy yabo not even Zizo Roy from khula kimi uRoy intwana yabo so big respect for him na inyazo yangihlonipha nomndeni wakhe so bengengikhona kuma-advisor by then because bekuzoba ngiyazi ukuthi bekangana attitude lamfana yabona that boy nge-personality ithi ngithi mina nasifana I need to be honest
explain about Anfana.
Yeah, kumele ngibe ne-fact there's a lot of mistakes engwenzile because of my arrogance yaba akusulo muntu yena yabona mhlambe yena i-arrogance angayisebenzisa egroundini yabona
yeah but not
yeah mina nami ngikwazi kuphela noma ngithi ngiyayicontrola I don't do ngamabomu yabo namanje my sister can tell you yabo sesipana naye behind the scene la ku Junior Khanye TV besamba sonke uMichael uMichael uzothula sometimes emotweni ngathi akekho yabona quiet yabo so mina yazi ngiyazikhulumela yabo whether on the field or wherever and mina bekhona this thing ukuthi ngikhule engithanda ukulwa mina and lo that's why ngithi anyway it's not all about me but all I'm saying ukuthi character ihlukile
sure
yena bengeka noma umkhahlele egroundini mina will retaliate yabo yena uzokubheka nje yabo mhlamba after game akhuluma ukuthi awubani uprove point and uyaqhuka lo muntu yabona yeah serious I remember bamkhaba and kabuhlungu eyidolo and wahlala I think months and ukhaba umunye umfana nje growing up naye
like Davidson
yeah
okay.
So
yeah.
Hlanhla just to fast forward to Thema kabuye France wasana ne Chiefs I was happy yabo mfana and go number 10 with Chiefs special player yabo njengoba ngisho Mushin gave him a platform njengoba ngamtshela mina ku episode Junior Khanye kusese Junior Khanye khohlwa before changing Junior Khanye TV first episode engiqale ngayo mina if not mistaken if akusoqala was 2-3 2-3 yes mara mangime interviewer njengoba ngisho uChiefs udlalile ngimbheka straight akadlalanga according to like lebe ngi expected.
Yeah, what was missing?
Yeah, I think uRoy ku Chiefs njengoba ngihlale ngisho Nhlanhla bekunama expectations.
Yeah.
Abamsigner from France abona bamnika number 10.
So what kind of player was he ukusukeni kwakhe ukuya eFrance?
Yeah.
And then what was the difference makaza ku Kaizer Chiefs?
I think a lot of players I need to be straightforward. Yabona Chiefs personality yakho mangabe you a bit shy like ma reserve it's going to be difficult at Chiefs yabo because you'll meet by then udlale nabo ngiyakhumbula David Mathebula bekunabo Siphiwe da I remember Mandla Masango George Libisi I remember so personality yakhe is not outspoken person uyakhuluma makumela akhulume njengawo wonke umuntu but yabona ku Chiefs eshima reserve yabo like kuzoba nzima because you'll find players that they are playing regularly there treatment is not going to be the same and a crowd expecting miracle every week yabo not to say ukuthi you couldn't mina ngisasho you never played the way lento bengibheka and a lot of people can testify with that bekunama expectation yabo that's the name kune reason why bebambiza Zizo bambonile ku Junior International bekenzima ngala under 17 under 20 under 23.
So don't you think ukubuyeni kwakhe from France might have affected him? You know, sometimes like Mauhamba, you don't really see yourself coming back. You see yourself doing great things and bigger things out there. And then the next thing we are Buya, but he's still playing for a big team.
Yeah.
But maybe psychologically, like, but I could have been doing better at France. And like, Ushuguti, personality yake and how Chiefs is structured were also not compatible.
Yeah, Nhlanhla, which is going to pressure.
Yeah.
On and off the field.
Okay.
And Michael if uhlele France mina bekuyi enhlizweni yami mangikhuluma nami ngiwani ukuthi I wish umfana ngabe uhlele France yabo I'm sure lamfana bekazoachieve whatever bekafuna ukuyi-achieve.
Do you know the reasons why he came back?
No, I can't. Yeah, I think he achieves ngoba banengqondo ukuthi we've signed him ku-development yethu. And wahamba quickly.
Okay.
You understand? And now siyambona uyamature. Especially Winnie Kosafa. Wangitshela phela ukuthi Winnie Kosafa tournament and then Bobby approaching. Wangitshela uPrabobs yabo mntawong and leyo bengengikhona kuma-advisor noma bengifuna but nami bengibhekane nenkinga zami akusumuntu okhulumayo njengoba ngisho Michael. I-advice bengifuna ukumnika but engqondweni nami bengizophinde futhi ngabe nengqondo ukuthi uzothi lo muntu lo asifani. Mara ngiyazi beyangihlonipha make no mistake mina bangakutshela Dave Tonda mfana ngihlonipha kakhulu mhlawumbe. Nami ngimnika respect kakhulu. Yabona angithi abanye abantu iyahlonipha leya naturally. Nami ngibona irespect beyakunika yona. Give respect to everyone. My sister lemfana njengoba ngisho reserve. Ukhuluma makumele akhulume. Yabo so bekakhuluma ngenyawo zakhe nengqondo yakhe. So noma bengifuna uma-advisor engqondweni yami nami noma ngazi ukuthi beyangakhulumi. But the way impilo yakhe beseyithatha i-direction ngakhona like coming up number 10 being presented conference yabo and it is by then bekuna this conference yokuthi amajezi number and stuff bamnika number 10 balithatha I think usticker beqeda ukuvaya bekunama expectations. So give me noma bengifuna kuma-advisor but bekuna this thing ukuthi now I'm down and ngizothi ngiyamtshela umfana kube ngathi ngijealous.
Okay.
Give mina ngikhulume nami kwavela ama-answer. Let me leave the boy. And then mhlambe misikhathi masamba kula mhlambe ngiyeza ngithi boy lapha uwenza 1 2 3 4 wrong lapha keep it up. You understand because omunye angafika lapha athola ukuthi akahambi ngalendlela ekambe ngayo ngami angazi uyangibamba because bengabona ama problem with discipline guru Michael like makazoya ku cheese yabo based on I character I personality akusumuntu bekakhula hlupha. I'm trying to say that. So now uphendula Nhlanhla bengengikhona nje kuma-advisor but kuchiefs akadlalanga according to mina ama expectations personally angikhuluma ngabantu. Bekuhlale kuba nalesting ukuthi is gonna come yabo Chiefs is gonna come ngoba bebayibona into ayiphethe and base bamambona kubo junior international under 17 under 20 ngoba under 20 udlalile make no mistake and Chiefs I don't think udlale mazange ngimfihlela. I told him once ngihlangana na Crystal Park yabo bekane dladla and then I told him boy mina bese season is 2 you never played according to like awudlala ngalendlela ebeng expecting ngayo yabo I mean labafana labana bo Mandla bo George ngiyazi uyabahlonipha and singabadeleli mele mabadlala udlale wena ngale ngqondo iphethe for me angini compare but you such a special player angicompare ukuthi abo bandi ka so njoba ngisho ukudlala ku-Chiefs Nhlanhla ama-player amaningi njoba ngisho mfethu kunile into eningi lapha Nhlanhla one udila ne-contract udila ne-contract psychological ku-Chiefs you will be told Nhlanhla ukuthi mawusane 3 years if awusiniki next 6 months mina lokho ngisho previous angikhuluma ngazi manje strategic criteria bayisebenzisayo 3 years every year to be negotiated if you're not gonna give anything loan vendor Dynamo so play parts bekuyi mindset by then so bekunzima but I could be angekho special so mina bengisho ukuthi ngabuhlele eFrance mhlambe ikham ngapha seka la kuma 27 probably and la seka mature khona afika bambe 3 years contract and mhlambe lapho icareer bengabade but a special player make no mistake because every time lo mzuzwane mabamnika ku Chiefs bekayiveza lo mfana cause ihlakaniphe kakhulu njengoba ngisho and nenye into it goes nange coaching phela. Do the coach believe in you? Yabo ile nto engisho ngithi mawuzoya kubo Chiefs and Pirates do the coach believe in you? Yabo uyabelieve kuwena ezinye izinto yiko ngithi I won't say a special player lela but angi-understandanga ukuthi wayengadlali angikhona ngi-understand I mean you understand so umfana wabuye wahlala waye ku-Black Leopards kulaveze khona ku-Black Leopards I think 2 years or 1 season awuvezile ukuthi uphethe bekashaw 55 ubonisile ukuthi I'm too special and he came back I remember wahlala kancane election 1-2 waye Malaysia Malaysia ngiyakhumbula I was very close nalomfana njengoba ngisho and bengasipani still da yabona and wabuye Malaysia umfana wabuye waye ku Roses wangihlebela ukuthi kwenzakaleni you understand nakusivutha uyile I think 6 months sivutha bekwe-FD so but i-career yakhe mina njengoba ngisho Nhlanhla icishe yafana nethu yabo like ayinama stop and go yabona but yena akusi discipline yabona sometimes you need luck in life you need luck akusukuthi discipline issue yabona ngambuza na kuChizi makabuvaya ukuthi yini kwenzeni what I don't understand namhlanje yabo I can't tell yabo so engishaye kakhulu mina Nhlanhla man eshinyaxolisa ngizo ofrempa kancane yabo ngiyazi abantu celebrating uMichael yabona but ngizoba straight kuwe Nhlanhla ngeke ngisho kakhulu yabona people love Michael and I'm surprised man yabona we've got this tendency to celebrate a person when he's no more and akusintegral
sure
I'm sorry ukuthi if ngibeka kabi it's angazi yangibamba because Nhlanhla not to say I praise myself yabo this boy deserve into esigrot he could still play not come and work with us la angazi yangithola yabo mina phela uMichael njengoba ngisho icorrect cishe nefana nethu at the age of 29 beyangasadlali ahleli ekas yabo ene bekafuna ukudlala but asho ukuthi ibhola limhethile yabo and that thing create anger Nhlanhla.
So did he say perhaps mhlambe like izinto bezimhetha because iziningi izinto ezibulala abantu ebholweni Junior and ezihetha abantu and it's not just like you saying ukuthi bekangana inkinga yediscipline so obviously if akana inkinga yediscipline then people would wonder ukuthi but if you are disciplined as you are you're not playing you're speaking about an element of luck but what is it lebe imzusubhlungu kakhulu ebholweni or eyamgcina ukuthi enze ukuthi agcine sekaphumile ebholweni.
He never told me about what happened at Chiefs deep namhlanje question mark mara wangitshela ukuthi naye sesicoca ukuthi bekumele ngaba ngibuyanga wayisho leyo ukuthi bengamelanga ngibuye pressure yabo but sekwenzekile yabo bemele ngaba ngibuyanga but iChiefs ngithethe grand but bemele ngaba ngibuyanga yabo and now ngiyakhumbula xoxa nama I fall under bad boys now in South Africa ngathi khona into engenzi mangithi bad boys
I know what you
zikeza vele igandani nyana one nyana I remember one of the Sunday angisakhumbula ipaper nyana Sunday paper bhale nje story nyana any article mina knowing his personality personality angicabanga ukuthi lento yabhalwa la into yokuthi yabona do angifuna ubuyela back kulonto le so ipoint lami la Nhlanhla ukuthi man we've got this tendency to celebrate when a person is no more angazi yabona and well ngiyazi abantu bafile kabuhlungu enhliziyo but I believe they should have helped the boy njengoba ngisho even other team
helped him back into football
because into yakhe uMichael uhleli Nhlanhla isikhathi eside angadlali ibhola sikhuluma environment we don't have to sugar coat uhleli uMichael boma njengoba ngisho if 7 years angadlali ibhola before he's 37 now but at the age of 30 if angikama ngihlala phambi kwabo lo mfana Nhlanhla and ngixoxa besinokujima sonke ebhuqwini sihlala angazi yangibamba December tournament we play together when we won amarampa I remember ngenye team yethu ne tournament ase Daveyton as a whole 2013 ako Black Leopards si winile le tournament the big tournament in Daveyton bebiza ngembewe enhle manje yabo vele bekuyimbewe enhle by then so sayiwina sonke so umfana at the age of if angicamba manga 29 30 khona lapho beyangasadlali so mina I believe bekumele athole chance because bekungasumuntu ill discipline angazi uyangibamba Nhlanhla so mina kwezinye ngiphinde ukuthi angesikhulume ngento ezinjalo sekwenzeke so but I feel mina we need to celebrate people while they are still alive yabo.
And how do you maybe perhaps think we should be able to do that because it's not easy.
Nike any chance umfana adla ibhola ngoba sazi izinto ezihetha umuntu izifike la there's a lot of players in South Africa abanye ama car accident umfana utholakala phuze kakhulu inempushile azafike lapho umunye uyagula ugule too much empushile azafike lapho depression probably stress mhlawumbe uyewaluza imali omunye and omunye he was financial like struggling ugcine sekagula psychological into eyiningi Nhlanhla so can you celebrate the people while they're still alive? Lento le serious. Anyway, lento deep kakhulu and mina nhlanhla angithi ngono, yabo, but we could do ku Junior Khanye TV. Lokho kuncane sekwenzile ukuthi umfana azohlala la. Phela la siyasipana nhlanhla safereza, yabo. Sisespanini as we speak. And umfana into engijabulisa ngayo. Uhambe naye every time when I speak with him. Mangimtshela boy, you coming back, yabo. First day nhlanhla njengoba ngisho mangisha interview with Junior Khanye Khohlwa last year. Le nto le nhlanhla. Mangimsha interview makaphendula I could see ukuthi uzospana nami.
All right, let's maybe perhaps talk about his life and how we want to remember him and celebrate him. You called him Junior Khanye Khohlwa and interviewed him. What was the purpose of that interview? Maumbiza, what did you want to get out of him and out of the interview itself?
One, uNkululeko unginike chance man.
Sure.
Good Diski TV. One, there's no one down and out.
Sure.
Down and out. No car. Lost everything. Yeah, but lento ngikhuluma ngayo footballers went through a lot in
Sure.
Yeah, but into ngibonga uNkulunkulu le character anginike yona. But otherwise nami ngabe ngingangena isiganga. Akusi easy kuba ifootballer. Yes, siyazifaka, we can't point fingers. Mina, I will take accountability. Angifuni point umuntu ama mistake wami. Yabo. But asifani ngokudila nalezo inkinga, yabona. So uNkululeko wangike chance ku Diski TV without judging me.
Sure.
Though he told me ukuthi noma ngangitshela ngasemde ukuthi there were a couple of stories I heard about you. He was a journalist phela ku Sokala Duma uNkululeko, yabona. And he won 3 awards there at Sokala Duma. He's a professional journalist. So washo ukuthi abantu nakhona ungitshela after a couple of months sesisipana ukuthi a lot of people are in question ukuthi ngidonsa ku Diski TV 2020 sihlangane 2019 so makanginike chance azange ngijudge ne but going forward isikhathi Masambo ngitshelile ukuthi bekazibuza ukuthi ingabe lento ekhulunywa abanye abantu ukuthi lo muntu lo nje bomdonsile uzoshintsha is going to go back actually the arrogant he had he's going to go back once he get money.
Yeah.
Okay, naye noma ngabe beyangazizwa ngabanye abantu ezinye bekana listinga imali echintshana nhlanhla you can say there's no life ngendlela enye nhlanhla can say mina into esong engiphinde ngiyenze mhlambe ngingasebenza ngeke ngiphinde ngiyenze because of money. But imali banginika again ngibuyele back for instance ejwaleni ngujunior because if angisa drive bese banginika imoto manje ngizoba mobile. I will see people, the confident will come back. So uNkululeko unginike chance just so fast what unginike chance without judging me. Wangitshela isikhathi Masamba after a year or 2 years with boy. Congratulations, nakhona siqoqa general. Bano Jason co-directors with Diski TV and Diski Time. They own Diski TV and Diski Time newspaper. Congratulations, dedication yakho. Living a clean life. Njobe sithi mawuthola 2 rand uzochinja sometimes uzoskipa ungeza spanning so ngikhulile ku Diski TV this year ngenza 6 years yabo ngespaneni Diski TV yabo WSP baze ba invest abo well sport betting so why nginganike omunye umntana chance wese uhlala ngasekhaya mfana grow up under me so when I gave this boy a chance ku Junior Khanye Khohlwa mangikhuluma naye intention yami ukuthi ngimka ispan.
Okay. Yeah, so from that interview, like I said, obviously there's different reasons, why we interview people and hear about their story, hear about their lives. Ukuthi bayenzeni, kwenzakalani. What stood out for you in that interview that, you feel like this boy, like you said, he's a special person?
Yeah.
What was his story that moved you so much and made you believe in him?
One, umuntu amuzwa nhlanhla okhulile maturity I don't have to claim to be matured the way he responded yabo athi the way as president engakhona one ufike early Michael da ufike early da I can tell you ufike early before me. I need to be honest angifihle
but uhlezi afika early always on time.
Yes ufike early figure early I was very impressed. That's number one.
Sure.
Secondly, ngiyangambuza a question ngamabomu ukuthi usafuna ukudlala na. Wathi kimi given a chance I can play. But ngifuna ukuba involved in football.
Okay.
Yabo. And engqondweni yami ngoba ngiyambona eDaveyton. Njengoba ngisho ngeviki bengimbona 3 times 4 times.
Sure.
Yabo ngidlule ngemhrunte nalabe kanokubloma khona bengimbona. Nini ngijime naye. Ngaze enhlizweni nasengqondweni yami ukuthi lo mfana lo kunezinto angasakhona ukuzenzela zona. You understand? And I'm sure njengoba thi mase ngikhuluma na kule interview njengoba thi ufuna ukuba involved in football. Lento engizwile le pain uye wayizwa. Now ngale maturity ayiphethe njengoba sikhuluma la. I can work no my kid. And being obviously there was question marks to me in terms of cameras. Is a shy person, the character. But bengifuna ukuyibona on camera mangikhuluma naye. Because khona abantu abanzima ngokucoca njalo camera ibeka la.
Then it's a different story.
Yeah. So after that interview, let alone ama number, I don't care ngaloko. But the boy uzokutshela abobhuti bakhe I'm sure batshelile yabona enhlanhla uzoba meet mhlambe ngefuneral memorial service. So that was done. And then ngambiza Fede. I remember him uSkapi. Yabo. Because I love Thabiso Malets as well. Yabo mangibona uMichael ngibona uThabiso. Yabo.
And they've got the same nickname.
Yeah, yabo. It's just a Scapi, the real like boy to the Scapi. Michael the little Scapi. Yabo.
Okay.
So yabona they've got the inhliziyo open man. Yabona inhliziyo angeke umuntu naye both of them but mina ngiyamthanda umuntu onenhliziyo open yabona. So both of them they've got similar characters. So ngithe mangibabeka la Stolka that interview mina ngiyayithanda leta lo nabantu futhi mara I knew already bese ngenzile ipiece nenhliziyo umuntu uMichael uzoploma nathi and bengimtshela uMichael ukuthi ngifuna ukusondeza uSkapi always benginokumxoxela yabo do angisho ukuthi uzosendela angisho kanjalo but benginali thing ukuthi uNkulunkulu mangangibusisa lethule definitely ngengiyekelele angazi uyangibamba mfethu like angeke ngiyekelele. So uMichael vele ngamtshela boy manje siqalile boy ke siyahereza yabona. So the mindset benginayo bekayiphethe uMichael yabona. And then now other people came mangitshela kunama interview abo Trip Past they call him bambona ngapha nangapha bo Clark FC. Well done Thulesh, the director of the Clark Masters. That guy plays a major role as well kulo mfana. Ulebo Clark dlala indima enkulu kuMichael and dlala indima abantu abangeba understand yabo because people zikaleshi kwenza le team leya akekho umuntu onga invest imali yakhe kuma legends abantu esebakhulile yabo those abantu ababiza abanye ukuthi abasababali angazi ngabiza amagama abasababali yabo they are buried alive but that guy believes which those are people I'm not has been for umuntu well done Thulesh ukuthatha imali yakhe I spend in about cheat and the way uMichael bekazapla ngakhona because the team leya ayifani namanye ama team ngikhuluma ngama former players masters ayifani structured the way go ngakhona in a club house their club the way they travel the way they eat yabo is helpful Olesh yabo. So bekathanda lo mfana nhlanhla yabo namanje uzubhlunga kakhulu mangikhuluma na everyday cried even mangizala I cried efonini and bekasha junior we don't have we can't nje see namanje is so angazi ngathini.
All right. And then let's talk about the fondest memories. I mean, like I personally enjoyed how you guys would disagree, especially with teams, you know. Michael was a man of very few words, but very profound words. Each time he got an opportunity to speak, Michael bega shaya ipom aphume kuyo. Shaya ipom aphume kuyo. Like, you know, he didn't really like talking ngaleyo ndlela leyo. And like I said, I would enjoy the times, especially, you know, towards the end of the season, last season, it was something else where Michael believed, I think, even when people had given up, Pirates, Pirates, especially after the game of Sundowns, people believe that, you know what, it's gone for Pirates and Sundowns is going to take it again. And then Michael kept on saying, Yadle mnyama,
Yeah.
yadle mnyama, ngiyakutshela inhlekelelo, iyadle mnyama, you know. So those were things that Michael would say, but how he would also give us predictions instead of giving us a score. Oh, Michael, because what's he? Kuyowina le or kuyowina le.
Yeah.
But he would never ever ngithi Michael give us a score a score angeke a score, but I'll actually give you who's going to win. And yes, he was right. And you know how he would look and analyze the game, and like you speak about the respect that Michael has, and I will speak about how he respected everybody, how he respected time, how Michael was always early, ne? And then noma angafika early uMichael sihlale sonke. Michael bekangahlali nathi, you know, bekazohlalela eyi-1 la sihlalela khona, and then come in ngesikhathi sokusebenza, and immediately masiqeda ukusebenza uMichael uyahamba, ungene ekarini uyahamba uMichael. He doesn't talk to anybody, he doesn't, like, you know, he just kept to himself most of the time. And beka, you know, like ngisho ngithi ngesikhathi sesipani bekaspana, and then after that azihambele, and then we'll then have, like, you know, moments here there. I remember, I think there was a time where angfonele, it was a Saturday evening, or it was a Saturday evening, and I happened to be watching Arsenal. I said, "Now ngathi umfana ubheka ibhola kangaka mara."
Yeah.
And I said,
and you guys were tight, eh?
We were, you know.
Cool,
I don't know, like, I mean, this is what I enjoy doing, you know. And it's, hey, sizokhuluma kusasa. Bheka ibhola mina angilibhekanga le bhola ulibhekile, you know. And then we'll chat again, maybe the following day on a Sunday. Hey, all right, yeah, ngisharp, you know. But above it all, it's how, sure, he cared, you know, for the people around him, and how he fondly spoke about his upbringing, you know, the way uMakreza bekamkhulise ngakhona, and, you know, he spoke fondly of his grandmother, you know, ukuthi yena neKriza lakhe, like, you know, bekathanda ugogo wakhe kanjani, family yakhe kanjani, and, you know, nabo bhuti bakhe. But above it all, Michael he was a chilled dude, man. He was a super chilled guy, and a man of very few words. Bekangathandi ukungena ey'ntweni. And yeah, man, when I got the message, Junior, the very first one, where he was involved in an accident, and I saw the picture of the car, and then I got to understand the nature of the injury that he sustained during that. I won't lie to you, I was very hopeful. That's, oh no, le injury lena ngiyayazi, because my brother suffered through the same injury. And then kuleyo injury leyo, my brother is alive to this day, and he made it through, you know. So I was like, yona isazomkhostanyana, when he's not going to move the way that he wants to, usazodlalanyana, but definitely he's coming back. And, you know, maslibele sizwa feedback, sizwa ukuthi I know, like, the boy is pushing well. And luckily for me, last week, Monday, I got to speak to Michael in a video call, you know. And Michael angela the way uyabuya ngakhona, Antwana ngiyabuya, uyabona emnyama yenzani, you know. And jeez, man, on Friday, I happened to have been somewhere. I get it's Women's Month, so I was at a women's event, and then told him message, but I did not immediately look at my message because of the environment that I was in. And then I realized that, like, you know, my pair, like, yeah, no, I angibhekanga, because, like, you know, most especially, like, when you're somewhere, namanje phone yami ayihlali kimi ngisespanini, like ila icon, you know. That's just how I operate when it comes to me and the communication world. And then I think 3:30, if I'm not mistaken, wangifonela. I did not believe what you were telling me. I did not. And I'm around people. I am, you know, like, when women get together, it's always like, kuba mnandi, you know? And I was like, my spirits are very high. But when that call came in, yeah, no. Like it.
Change yonke.
Yeah, it hit me, and.
Out, yeah.
Yeah, but anyway.
Akunenkinga. Yeah, Antlix. I remember ngishaya video call besuka la. Yabona. Bengafuni ke esibhedlela mina Nhlanhla easy. People went there iviki lonke. Yabo. I think ubhuti wakhe uthemele kuye myself. Wawuyotshela security ukuthi kuzoza uJunior la esibhedlela. Nobani? No label. Litlake director and nami mangizoya ngisuka la Monday after a week. I think I was told Nhlanhla by then. Then I went there. Njoba ngishaya video call. I nami Nhlanhla mfana was hoping. Yabona I was hoping, I prayed for mfana mangiyadapha. Ngiyengifake ephise sonto, I'll be honest. Yabona mina ngibelieve ama emthandazweni. Ngiunderstand into zabo doctor and stuff and make no mistakes ziyasebenza. But mfana simcelele kakhulu. Yabona and after mina ngithola i-call aqeda ukwenza nje bekumele sizosebenza la. Bengimsendela i-text with you working and ngesikhathi I never respond. Ngeke ngazibuza yabona.
Oh, on Sunday, the day of the accident.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So noma ngabe kayivulile ifone mhlambe by then ngoba ngimsendele during the day ukuthi ngisho Sunday. And nazanga responde ekseni ngithola i-call from Thabiso Malatsi uthi uzwile uthi Michael wengemoto. Yabo. And azange ikholwe kahle yabo. Ukuthi bayodlala ePhulukwane ngelihlakhe Masters. Mina unfortunately bengimpumalanga eNyosipana ku I was invited by Insimbi Makwakwa's tournament yabona as a guest there, special guest and mixed with igwalagwala. So I went there mabali azange ngihambe nabo mina elihlakhe. Ngoba elihlakhe nginokungabi khona mina yabona based on into engizenzayo yabo ispan. So mababuya angathi khona laba team bahlukana, team get iyahlangana and then bahlukana bayohlala sama. So into engishayile ukuthi njoba thi Thabisi yenzeke ube involved ku accident. Ngizibuzela ukuthi babuye nini kanti yabo. And then nala accident yenzeke khona. Bekayafada like ngizibuzela ukuthi okay da yabona eyenzeke khona yenzeke kanjani accident yabona and mara ngathi ithi lento le angeke ngikhona we rapper yabo mina ngiconclude I for sure mangizothola i-call from ubhuti wakhe uMapinki. There's a young brother kaMichael befunda nesester lami esigela and phani imfundo isho ukuthi uzwile ukuthi Michael wenza accident and stuff yabo and ngathi ngizwile ngoThabiso but I was not too sure. Yabona and immediately naqeda ukudrop ifone siza la ngathi ngoba besesiplanile yonke into prepared studio ngeza la Nhlanhla. Now into eshaye kakhulu mase ngithola i-call again in 30 minutes ubhuti wakhe lo uthi umdala lo ngithi ngifunda naye angitshela ukuthi endoda kwenzeke so wani imoto iwe ndaweni so yabona iwe yabheka phezulu yabona and kwenzeke so sokule car masifika yabo and Nhlanhla mina kungithatha isikhathi kembona manje esibhedlela because uye immediately bam-admita. I think he was transferred to Joburg simple and makafike to of Joburg bam-transfera mina zange Nhlanhla iviki lonke because I was disturbed kakhulu yabona asifani njengoba ngisho Nhlanhla kunezinye izinto amazenzeka ngwile ngekar mani car sengiwe several times and it's accident is grand. Yabo we lucky to survive ngoNkulunkulu yabona amadlozi asiphethe especially mangiyibona le car ngiyakusendela i-picture and then bamtransfera la ngiye the following week kuyiMonday mangifika la ngithe mangimbona ngimthola vala amehlo but mangena waba yabo wakhala ukuthi bengizibuza ukuthi uzoza nini yabona and uzoza nini da njengoba ngithi Nhlanhla ukuthi ufuna ukukhuluma nawe angeke ngihambela it will be a big mistake yabona ngiyazi ukuthi inhloso kangakanani and yabo umbonile Nhlanhla wazi yabo awuboni mina it was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, Monday bangithi bamtransfer back the boys. Leya 6 weeks bekumele ayihlale lapha no but 6 days umfana surgery went well, everything done. Nami ngiyambona excited uyangibona uyashuta ngikweleta umuntu man ukuze ngiphume endleleni. I'm very dedicated yabona. And kwenzeke nje iphutha Grootman, and I can't reveal. Ma ungangibuza ukuthi kwenzeleni I can't tell. Yabo ngoba ngimbuza nami bengafuni kumpressa busy situation akuyo. And then umfana bamtransfera back bangitshela ukuthi the following day uyahamba back la beka kule sibhedlela kuso. How? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Ubuyele back Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday. Friday ngithola i-call. Ubhuti wakhe kunjani? Bangifonele kayi-2. Umfana izolo struggle to breathe. Hayi, ubhuti wakhe into emshayayo naye inhlanhla bekada on Wednesday. Bamshayisa ama-exercise. Ashuta hayi junior done ngimbonile umfana right. Bamshayisa ama-exercise angazwe ngibamba. And then now when the boy passed on, in 30 minutes ubuyile kimi ngingistepile enhlanhla bengiya ku Diski TV eSpanini share prediction. Before after 30 minutes wabuya watethu ayinomuntu izinomo ngathi ange ngapha nami I couldn't believe enhlanhla ngithashe kakhulu and enhlanhla le anti showcase so many people and hey man lo mfana njengoba ngisho Karen mina bengimlanda ekseni will share advice phela naye bengimamela hayi ukuthi nomamela mina. So I learned deep kakhulu and I am fit me soul rest in peace and benginobhuti wakhe manje enhle bengikhuluma nobhuti wakhe manje kusini and still unbelievable. It's like kube besikhona ukuvusa umuntu but it's so internal. I deep indaba yakhe mfethu. I don't know what to say.
Yeah. Sure. With that said, Junior, we will miss him.
Yeah.
We'll miss his, silent moments. We will miss his football analysis, man. Like, which was out of this world. And like I said, punchy, gets out of the way. Punchy, gets out of the way. And I know people would comment and say, we don't give him enough chance to speak. But it wasn't that. It was just the nature of who Michael was. And we thank, uNkulunkulu kusinikeza an opportunity, to share a platform, no Michael, to share memories with Michael. And nesikhathi lesi bebasibulekile ukuthi sibe naye Michael. We are eternally grateful to have met a wonderful giant like him. And condolences once again to the Nkambule family, to the fans, to the friends, and to his kids as well,
Yeah.
Sure. We will miss you, Michael, and we are truly, truly, truly grateful to have known you. And may you fly high, King.
Yeah. I may soul rest in peace.
Yeah. All right. And that's just how we wrap up the episode. Still with heavy hearts, but also grateful to have known a giant like Michael Nkambule. Siyabonga bafethu.